Welcome to my page. Let's look at logarithm with table. We have simplified the following bar notation. So this bar notation is always encountered during the simplification of logarithm with table. And so you must know how to solve this so that you can solve this bigger one successfully. So let's go straight away and simplify this. So we have a bar 3.2 divided by 4. All you need to do is to make this one divisible by 4 without decimal. Without decimal. You must divide this one by 2 by 4 without decimal. And to do it, you must increase this number in such a way that it will be divisible by 4 without decimal, and you also have minus bar 3. So let's go. We have, if we increase it to bar 4, we must add it so that when we remove, we add 1 to minus 4, we'll have minus 3, which is bar 3. And so the whole thing is solved. We have bar 4 divided by 4 to give you bar 1 plus 1 divided by 4, 0. You take it to the next number, which is 12. 12, which is 2, it becomes 12. 12 divided by 4, we have 3. And so it will be bar 1.3 as the answer. B, we have bar 7.2 divided by 4. 7 divided by 4 will give you 1 point something, decimal point. So that is what we don't want. So we must increase it a little, which is bar 8 plus 1 will still give you bar 7, which is minus 7. Always consider this as minus. Okay, 0.2 divided by 4. Okay, so we have bar 8 divided by 4. You have bar 2, 1 divided by 4, 0. Shift it to the next one, becomes 12. 12 divided by 4, we have 0.3. And so everything will be bar 2.3. Okay, and so C, we have bar 6.5 divided by 5. So what do? We increase this 6 so that when we divide it, we'll have divided by 5, we'll have positive, a whole number without decimal. So what do? We increase it to 10. Bar 10.5 is plus 4 will give you minus 6. Minus 10 plus 4 will give you what? Minus 6, which is bar 6. And so 0.5 divided by 5. This is what we want to do. And so it's very simple. Bar 10 divided by 5, we have bar 2 plus 4 divided by 5, 0 point. We shift it to this, become 45. 45 divided by 5, we have 9. So everything will be bar 2.9. So our D is multiplication. Bar 3.8 multiplied by 3. So what do? In multiplication, we start from the right to the left, while in division, we start from what? The left to the right. So we have 3 multiplied by what? 8 is 24. 24, we write down 4, carry 2. The 2, we must put it here, which is plus 2. We are going to add it to whatever we have in the other part. 3 multiplied by 3, by bar 3, we have bar 9. So bar 9 is considered as minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is equals to minus 7. So the answer is what? Bar 7.4. That's the answer. So that is it. So let's solve this using what we have learned in this way. So let me bring it down a little. Number 2, we have the fourth root of 0.0763 divided by 309 multiplied by 0.008465. Okay, so let's solve this one. So we draw our line as usual, and we have number and logarithm. Okay, we solve this can also be written before I go there as 0.0763 all over 309 multiplied by 0.008465. Everything raised to the power of 1 over 4. So whatever we get from all this one, to find the logarithm of all this one, subtract, well, at the end, we must divide it by 4 before looking for the antilog of the number. So, like this, let's do the numerator, which is 0.0763. So in this one now, we change it to standard form so that the power of 10, we use it as our integer part of the logarithm. So like this, we move the decimal in between the first two numbers, and we are taking it from behind, which is negative. We have 1, 2, which is bar 2, point log 76 under 3. Log 76 under 3 is, this is our logarithm table. Logarithm table. We look for 70. We look for 76. 76, there is no difference. So we look for 76. So 76 is here under what? Under 3. We have 8825. 8825. So we write 8825. Okay, so we are done with the numerator. Let's do the denominator. Okay, we have 3, first number is 309. So we'll convert it to standard form so that we write down the power of 10. 1, 2. So we have 2. Because we are moving from the front, it will not be negative, it is positive. So we are going to look for log 30 under 9. Log 30 under 9. Let's see. This is 30. Under 9 is the last one. So 49,000. So we have log 4900. Okay, so the second part is 0.008465. So we convert this one to standard form by moving the point from behind to between the first two numbers. How many times are we going to shift the point? We have 1, 2, 3. So we have bar 3 point. So we are going to look at 84 under 6 difference 5. Log 84 under 6 difference 5. So let's look for 84. 84 is here. 84 is here. So this is 84. 84 under 6 is this 92, 92, 74. Difference 5. Difference 5 is 2. Is 3. Okay. Difference what? 5 is 3. So we add it. So we have 7, 7, 2, 9. So let's write, we have 92, 7, 7. And because this is what? Because this is multiplication, here we're going to add. We add the denominator first. So we plus it. Okay? I don't want to write it so that it will not be jump back. So 0 plus 7, we have 7. 7. 9 plus 2, we have 11, carry 1. 4 plus 9, 13. Plus 1, we carry 14. We carry 1 again, put it here, 3. 3 plus bar 3. 3 plus bar 3 is same thing as 3 minus 3, which is what? 0. So we have gotten this, and we shift it to the next number, like bar 2.8825 minus, because of denominator, minus 0.4177. Okay, 77. Let's do it right away. 5 minus 7 cannot. Carry 1 from here. Add it to 15. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, you have 8. This one is remaining 1. Take 1 from here. 1 minus 7 cannot. Take 1 and becomes 11. 11 minus 7, we have 4. This one becomes 7. 7 minus 1, we have 6. 8 minus 4, we have 4. Bar 2 minus 0, like minus 2 minus 0 is still minus 2, which is bar 2. So we write our bar 2. But this bar 2 is what we need to divide it. We're going to divide this by 3, by 4. This 4 here, by 4, because everything is the fourth root of everything. So before we find the antilog, we must divide it here. So let's divide it. We have bar 2 divided by 4. We have bar 2.4648 divided by 4. So mind you, like what we learned in our bar notation, this bar notation here, so we need to increase the bar so that we'll have a whole number, because 2 cannot be divided by 4 without a decimal. So we now say bar 4 plus 2, which is the same thing as bar 2. Okay, 0.4648 divided by 4. So we have bar 4 divided by 4, we have bar 1. 0.2 divided by 4 cannot. Shift it to the next one, becomes 24. Divided by 4, we have 6. Okay, 6 divided by 4, we have 1. Remember 2. To this, it becomes 24. Divided by 4, we have 6. 8 divided by 4, we have 2. So this is the number we are going to look for the antilog. We look for antilog of this number, and we are done with the answer. So now we are going to look for antilog table to look for 61. 61 under 6 difference 2. So this is antilog table. We look for 61. You can see 61. 61 is here. 61 under 6. Under 6 is what? 4130. Under 6 is 4130. 4130 is under 6. Difference what? Difference 2. Difference 2, let's look at it again. Difference 2 is 2 here. Is 61. Under 6, 4130. Difference 2 is what? 2. So in the 2, we add the 2 to it to get 2314. So, but you're going to write it in this format. So we have 0.4132 times 10 raised to the power of the integer part, which is bar 1 minus 1, plus the usual one you need to add. Okay, so when you add, bar minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So the answer is 0.4132 as the answer. I think with this we are clear. See you in the next